Hello there beautiful people and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them a line and comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. Just like this one actually. Because this is a question that keeps repeating on my channel and I always reply to the same question. So instead of replying to the same question over and over, I get to make a video on whoever get the same question can easily watch the video and do the thing you're trying to do, which is how to set up the international shipping on your Shopify store or actually Shopify account. And it's very easy and straightforward, no complicated stuff here. Because if you're a subscriber, you already know, on this channel we only do the complicated things that you cannot do using the theme editor. That's exactly what this channel is for. And if you are a subscriber, as I said, you already know that. If you don't, check out the channel below and you will be amazed. But for now, let me show you how to set up the international shipping for your Shopify account. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As I said, as you can see, this is Shopify down team. I always start with completely new team in the tutorials, and each video I add small customizations. By the video like 70 or 60, the team will be completely different. So everything in here has been done in tutorials, including the recent sales notifications, as you can see on your Shopify store by using your own custom code. Or you want to see something that will make you more money? Check this out. As you can see, I have 5 products or four products added to the cart, and I didn't check out yet, right? And this is the mouse cursor. I will act just like I want to leave or close the page, and this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart and he didn't check out. And by using your own custom code, you don't have to pay monthly for this one, but I'll let you decide. Again, shipping, international shipping for your account, no worries. So let me close this Shopify store. And the first thing you're going to do is we need to create the market. For what? For international. Because in your account, you might have a market. By default, I think it will create one based on your region. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But the first thing you're going to do is on the left panel right here, you will see some options and click on markets in here. Then you will see the markets that's created on your Shopify account. By default, I think I have, as you can see, Europe and United States, and they are both active. And you can expand the tree here so you can see from the tree. But anyway, so the first thing you're going to, or the second thing you're going to do is create a market using the button at the top right corner. Simply click on it and it will show you some options. The first one is the name. And obviously international. So I named it international, and this will not be visible for the customer. So no worries about that. This is just for you so you can understand what the market is. So the next thing we're going to do is include add condition. And if I click on add condition, it will show me a list of countries, as you can see. From here, you can pick the countries you want to include. And for this video, we are doing international. So you might want to select this one and it will select the whole list of countries in here, which is international. If you want to exclude some of them, simply exclude the ones you want like this and keep the others. In my case, I'm going to keep everything. So the total is 237 countries. Then click on done and it's added, as you can see. The next option in here, which is the currency. Use local currency. If you don't, simply click on the drop down in here. If you don't want to use the local currency, you can scroll down and see all the currencies you can use. And US dollar is here, I think. Yeah, this is one store currency, as you can see, USD. So you can pick the currency you want to use, or you can use the local currency. So automatically it will convert the USD that you set the price on, or the currency that you're using on your Shopify account. It will convert it to the customer's currency based on his location or country. And there is an option here called price rounding, which means it basically means it fixes the prices for certain conversions. For example, let's just say you have a product for $10 and the customers that accessing the page is from Europe, so it has to convert from dollar to euro, and that would be like 9.70 something. It depends on the conversion rate for that time. So what this does, basically, it will fix the price for 9 euros 0.99 or 8 euros 0.99 instead of showing the long digits like 37 or 32 or something like that. So it will fix the price so it looks good. Basically, I would recommend you to actually enable this option because it's very handy. And below is the catalogs or the products you want to show for customers based on these countries that you did select. All products, and down you can select the theme from here, or the store, sorry, you're using. And below the languages as well. I have English and Spanish. If you're interested in translating your Shopify store, I did that in tutorials. Make sure to check out the channel. It was posted like a week ago or something. Anyway, tax and duties, that's very different thing. You can adjust that. It will be based on the region, your region, and also the customer's region as well. You can enable this option in here if you want to, but I will not go into details. That's a completely different subject. It will take another video. Let me know if you want that. I will do a video on that. But for now, we are done on the market. By the way, make sure to select active, make sure it's activated in here. Then click on save, then it will create the market and it will show you a message at the top of the page after it's saved. Come on in here, raise. It will say shipping rates are not set up yet. That's exactly what we need to do. In case you didn't show up, simply click on settings and navigate to the shipping. But on here, you see manage shipping. Click on it and it will take you to the settings, shipping as you saw, exactly where you want to access. And you might see this message right here. It says customers won't be able to check out because we didn't create a profile or options for the shipping yet. So the next thing you're going to do is click on custom profile, create custom profile, or you can click on this one first to check out the option legacy option, which is sell from all locations to all shipping zones. And you might be one, it depends actually on your fulfillment locations. So based on your fulfillment locations, make sure to pick the one that suits for you. Then click on create custom profile so you can set a profile for the shipping if you want to include like different rates for each region and so on. So in here, we're gonna name it international. Then on product, I'm gonna select whole product. In your case, if you want this exclude some products from some regions, make sure to do so. In my case, I'm gonna select everything, then click on done. And below is the shipping zones in here. So you can add shipping zone, then click on it. And it will show you the shipping zones that you did include in the market, which I did like the whole countries, as you can see. So it will show you this based on continents. The first one is Africa. If you select sort of the whole countries in Africa, and I don't know why it says 134 countries. I think it included some other territories, something like that. This is Asia, and this is Europe. So you can select the whole countries in here. Depends actually on the rates you want to set. In my case, I'm going to set a flat rate for everything in here. So I'm going to name it international again, then click on done, and it was created. Now I'm going to add the rates. Click on add rates, and this one you can pick if you want to use a flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate the rate. I think some of you guys use app to calculate the rate. In my case, I'm going to use flat rate, which is not recommended if you want to ship international, or depends actually on your margin of product and so on. So shipping rate, custom, and custom name, I'm going to do international. And below, this is optional, just description. I'll just do ships next day. And this one is the pricing for the shipping. If you keep it as 0, it will be free, as you can see. In my case, I'm going to do like 12. And below there is a conditional pricing. And this is handy if you have products based on weight, like products that's heavy or something like that. For example, if I click on it, it will show you based on item weight or based on order price. You can set the weight for the minimum as well as the maximum. In my case, I don't need it. I'm gonna remove it. Then click on done. And now we created the rate for the international shipping, which is $12. If I click on save, the message at the top will be gone. As you can see now, people from all the countries I did select can proceed and buy the products from my Shopify store. And that's how you set up the international shipping on your Shopify account. And if you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to make a video for you just like this one. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.